I was driving the other day and I saw a street sign that reminded me of you. I remembered I'd forgotten your number, so I dialed 321.
I think about you almost every night. The moonshine spills memories of you and I. The sunlight casts shadows in a new way. Same streets with a different song. I walk along, all alone where we drive. Think about you in my car on long trips where I pick the song. You're lost cause I was always driving, and we were never fighting, but I was always steering. And we would be laughing, but I was hard of hearing. So I missed the joke, but that's cute. Okay, think about it now, I can see it wearing on you. You call me an addict, I said true. I guess that's what I got in common with you. Living smaller lives and fear of bigger things. The unfortunate side of the story of you and I.
I was driving the other day and I saw a street sign that reminded me of you. I remembered I had forgotten your number, so I dialed 321.
Sun rain outside, keep me up all night. Got me thinking about everything all at one time. So it'll all be alright, that we can sleep when we die. You told me don't you worry, that everything's fine, boy.
Nothing on my mind is dangerous, I find. Around town I see you and I. In every nook and cranny from the shore to the highway, back when I would hide. Way high, yeah, my innocence had died. Somewhere off I-95, the closest hole to die. Knowing when I came back that you'd be right. We were gone with the breeze. From the sea we blew like leaves blowing. K-I-S-S-I-N-G's driving A1AIC. Memories pop up like the birds and the bees in the springtime. I dropped you off on the street for the last time, sometime last year. I'm lonely and I think about you off a beer. It's sad and I knew it would be. Maybe one night I'll dream and you won't be the only thing there.
Sun rain outside, keep me up all night. Got me thinking about everything all at one time. So it'll all be alright, that we can sleep when we die. You told me don't you worry, that everything's fine, boy.
Drift slowly into a stormy sleep. The tide of the sheets pulls me out to sea. The breeze of the storm pulls my feet. My arms look on relentlessly. The waves return for miles, and the winds howl wilder. And the waves crash like tides behind the storm. I can't see brighter.
I wake up, my heart sees deep into my chest. For a moment it's peace, but it all seeps back into my head. So I rush to my feet and I try to catch my breath, but I can't stand, and it's hard to understand why I reach across my bed to find an empty pillow. It's so lonely rolling solo, knowing no love but your homies, but you know me. Kick a smile when it's crummy like a shot, but inside nothing's funny and it feels like my mind is always running, and I can't help feeling that nobody can love me, but you did. But that was then, and that was now, and now I think about it when I'm outside. This town just feels like you and I. You promised me everything, I promise you a ring. Now I promise it's the last time I'll ever ring you up, I swear.